Hello, this is Gio once again with another tutorial on how to use 7. Now we are making progress, so in this tutorial we're going to show you how you can add your closing package to the property that you added to your lead. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go back to CRM. We're going to click on CRM and then we're going to click on leads. And here we go, our famous James Brown, which is the MVP lead of all these tutorials. We're going to click on his first name. Now we are working with the property that we used in the previous tutorial. Now we can see here that the status is closed. So let's get ready to add those documents for the property. We're going to go ahead on over and hover on over to the Documents tab. Now we're going to click on Add Closing Package and you're going to get this pop-up. So the first thing we're going to do is what type of documents are we going to upload. We click on the menu and this is going to be a residential property. Again, you can choose if it's a commercial, you can choose commercial. If it's land, you go with land. If it's a short sale, you go with short sale. But with James, we are going to work a residential property, which is one of the most basic ones out there in the market. Now we're going to select the transaction type. Since this is not a rental and James is going to purchase his first property, we're going to select on purchase or sell. And who do we represent? We are the buyer's agent in this situation. You can select dual agent or seller, but for James, we're going to go ahead and represent him as the buyer. And up top here, you notice that these are some default documents that the system will kind of guide you and let you know on what you have to upload. If it's the buyer broker agreement, your commission invoice at the end, lead paint disclosure, memorandum or offer, the MLS sheet, or the New York State disclosure. So these again are just default documents. And down here on your last drop down menu for the property, we are going to select 344 Vine Street, which is the example property. Now if James put in multiple offers on 2 or 3 different properties, you would just select the property that was officially closed. In this case, we're going to go with 344 Vine Street. We're going to click on save. And now we have ready the list of documents required for this particular property. So to upload, if you already have your buyer's broker agreement downloaded on your computer or laptop, but let's say you have all these documents ready to upload and download it into your computer, the first thing you're going to do is we're going to hover on over the blue plus sign. We're going to go and look for those documents. Here I just have a sample document PDF file. We're just going to open it and upload it. And now you have a green check. So let's say we have the lead paint disclosure. We're going to go ahead and add that in there. Let's add in the memorandum. Just going to do this real quick. Let's say we have the MLS sheet already. We're going to add that in there. Now we are adding the New York State disclosure. We're going to add that in there. And the commission invoice. So for the commission invoice, what we're going to do is we're going to go head on over to properties. And then we're going to click on generate commission invoice. Super important. We're going to click on that blue button and it's going to automatically generate your commission invoice that you need to email to your broker. So it's already done for you. It's going to have it's going to represent you as the buyer's agent. There goes James Brown. It's going to show you the sale price of the property, your commission rate, how much you are to get paid, and when is the payment due at closing. And then the rest of the information that your broker needs. So in this case, it would be the name of your broker, etc. And that's pretty much it. So we're going to click on download. We're going to download the document. This is the commission invoice already done for you. We're going to go back to documents now that we have our commission invoice, and we're going to upload that commission invoice. Let's say it's this one. We're going to open it, and then there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have all the documents uploaded for that closing package to finalize that deal, to get that money so the broker can pay you. And if you ever need to double check to make sure that you do have the documents, you can always hover on over the name. You can click on the name, and it is going to take you to the document that you just uploaded, just as a reference to double check, make sure everything is working nice. And that's pretty much it. And now to email these documents to your broker, it's similar to the commission invoice. It's very automatic. You're going to click on send via email. It's going to give you a pop-up, and it's going to kind of give you some basic information just to make sure you know that you're on the correct address. It's going to automatically copy the email of your broker, and is going to automatically already have the subject. Again, you can change the subject. This is just a default subject, which is very basic: closing documents for 344 Vine Street. You can add anything after that or before that, or you could just change the whole subject if you want to something more comfortable. And then the message here, it automatically gives you the message: dear all, I trust this message finds you well. Attached, please find the required documents for the property located at 344 Vine Street. So this is all pretty much automated for you, just to help you save some time. Again, you can edit this message, you can always delete or add to it, but it kind of saves you that time. Best regards, it is going to show you your name. In this case, the agent is Max, and it's going to show him his is going to show the email, and then you click on send, and it will send out those documents to your broker or your broker's assistant. They are going to receive these documents, and then you will get ready to get paid. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial on how to add a closing package to a property that you have already closed on your client. Thank you so much. Once again, this is Gio, and see you on the next tutorial.